Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you go ahead over to your search bar right here. Just type down Windows Security. Alright, this one. So just go ahead and click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and maximize this one. And then just find Virus and Threat Protection. Okay, so just click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit, and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, you have here Manage Settings. So you just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, all you got to do is just disable real-time protection. All right. You could also disable Cloud Delivered Protection and Automatic Sample Submission right here. That is recommended for more thorough temporary disabling. So let's just go ahead and turn off real-time protection. There will be some prompt. Just click on yes. And as you can see here, it says real-time protection is off. And when you go ahead and go to the bottom right of your taskbar, as you can see, Windows Security or Windows Defender is now disabled. And that is it. And again, as I've mentioned earlier, you can disable these two as well. All right. And that is how you disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.